Hi guys, hey, my name is Barbara D. I'm here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today I'm going to show you a Coachmen Catalina 243 RBS. The best, great length, great build. Come on in, I want to show it off. We're going to come in here right off the top. You've got a really super nice dinette. This sofa folds out into a super comfortable bed. And you can still walk by and get into this area here. You've got a fireplace. You got a great TV. This is going to pop out, swing around, do all the stuff that it's supposed to do. All of these cabinets for storage. All the way around. You got a deck of drawers here. It's even got a shelf inside the cabinet so you can put your glassware. Of course, it's got the oven. It's got a microwave. It's got a great big Norcold refrigerator. Plenty of room in here. It's got a super duper bathroom. Why don't you just take a look at that? It's got a great shower. It's got a sink, a basin, a vanity. Really easy, super light in there. Feels clean, is clean. More storage here, more storage here. And of course you've got storage underneath this settee as well. So I want to tell you a little bit about this. This is constructed just like a house. So we have a reverse truss roof here. It's built in Indiana. They're built to last for a long time. I've sold several of them, and I could give you a list of testimonials as long as my arm. I want you to come in here and take a look at this bedroom. They have this trailer wired so you can get a backup camera on it. I think this is a great idea right here. You've got a bar stool so you can sit down here and you can shoot the bull while somebody's cooking dinner. You can enjoy the fireplace. It's got a good sized bedroom in it and a nice bed. Cross ventilation here, so you got a window on each side. A great big wardrobe closet here, super deep. More space up here for storage. Nice bed right here. And then of course you've got some storage under here as well. There's the other bar stool. So this unit is very reasonably priced. It's super well built. It has some really nice little features outside, and we'll go through that. I like the grab handle and these solid steps. Coachmen offers a Catalina starlight system, so you've got blue lighting underneath here. We've got aluminum rims, dual axle. So what I want you to do is to come out here and take a look at it. I want you to walk in there and sit down on those bar stools and lie down on the bed and feel how it feels on the inside, because it's very warm. It feels like home. It's a 243, so it's a 24-foot trailer, nearly 25. It's about 28 overall. But come on out and take a look at it. I'm sure that you'll be delighted. Call me. My name is Barb. I'm at 541-521-4232. And thanks for spending some time with me today.